Hi guys, today we're at Castle Hills in Northallerton once again.
LNER, come on.
It's an LNER. Anyway, yeah, we're going to see LNER, Crosspen Eye, and yeah, and all that, cross country and all that. Maybe Grand Central, but anyway, yeah, let's have fun at Castle Hills. Express about to speed past Castle Hills. I shouldn't say speeding, but it's that thing's in the way. Anyway, there it goes. Crosspen Express. Speed past cross country about to speed past Castle Hills. Trying to get a ton off this.
Go on, the boy.
Every train what we've got a ton. So that's good. Come. Is it cross country? Yeah, it is. God's...
Come on, Jim.
Come across.
Ah, just grab
Oh, you get Anyway, there goes cross country. I want to speeding, but anyway, there goes cross country. Coming past Castle Hills. Passing by. Can't tell what it is. It's Grand Central. Oh, you don't normally get these down here. Grand Central. Please get a turn. Come on. Oh. Yes! God, that's nice. Grand Central. Coming past Castle Hills. That was nice. Oh, that was so nice.
Do you want to head back?
And yeah, I'm about to speed past Castle Hills.
Fuck me, that's quick.
Fucking hell.
Come on, boy. Give us...
Yes! That was nice. That was coming quick.
That was a nice turn.
Nice turn. And yeah, speed past Castle Hills. I'm about to speed past Castle Hills. Oh! That's going to Manchester Airport, and I think that might be stopping at Northallerton as well. And there it goes. Crosspen Express passing Castle Hills. Crosspen Express about to speed past Castle Hills. Will this be stopping at Northallerton? Nope. Going to Liverpool Lime Street! And here comes another Crosspen Eye. This is going to Newcastle. Oh my God! That was nice turn. That's going to Newcastle. One that's stopping it. Anyway, yeah.
Where is yours?
It's getting dark.